You can see the timeline of the DNS requests and answers of the last 14 days in the DNS traffic log. The log shows the first resolution of the domain by a given IP address in the last 24 hours, the type of query, the outcome of the resolution, and the source and destination IP address. It also enables you to do a full text filtration using wildcard operators. The summarizing logarithmic graphs under the main timeline display an overview of the most common answers, second-level domains, and IP addresses with the heaviest traffic. All the data is accessible in a table format too, and you can even export them to a CSV file with a maximum of 1 million lines. The DNS traffic logs are temporarily stored on the Resolver server. You can access them from there for your own processing. One of the biggest advantages of the DNS traffic log is the possibility of filtering errors in responses such as NXDomain and ServFail. This allows you to see the malicious traffic on devices connected to the network. This video shows a hashed IP address with almost 240,000 resolutions of different domains leading to NXDomain and ServFail errors. Here, you can see both public and private IP addresses. This display is particularly useful, especially if you add other queries to the filter, such as MX. Such a setting of the filter shows you IP addresses in your network which send spam and are therefore in danger of being blacklisted and consequently endangering other customers as well in case they're behind NAT. Similarly, you can choose, for example, A-queries. We specialize in the detection of DGA malware communication. Clients who are infected in this way connect to quasi-randomly generated domains that try to communicate with the command center of the malware.